To create a rectangle in Mastercam, I'm going to first activate the command. I can do this with the icon Create Rectangle, or from the drop-down menu I can select Create Rectangle. Mastercam is going to prompt me to enter the position of the first corner, so I'm going to select this corner here. I'll drag my mouse out and click to create the rectangle in the rough shape and distance I want. Recall, as long as it's in blue, it's not set in stone. Now Mastercam assumes that I want to keep creating rectangles, so it's asking me to select the position of the first corner of the next rectangle. I don't want to do that until I've taken the time to set up its sizes. So in this case, I'm going to create a rectangle that's 3/4 inches long here in the negative x direction. So in its width column, I'm going to enter negative 0.75, enter. And for this part, I'm creating the rectangle that represents the top of this T-nut. So for my next field, I'm going to use an equation because there's a 30-second chamfer already on the corner. Okay. For my height field, I'm going to use the equation. Again, I want it to go negative relative to this point in the y. So I'm going to enter negative 0.375 and then plus the 31 thou chamfer that we can see here, and will also be on this side when I'm done. So I've just entered a simple equation. I'll press enter. My rectangle will change. If I've made a mistake, not a problem, I'll do it again. So that was minus 0.375 plus 31 thou plus 31 thou, and I fix it up. If I'm happy with that, I can apply it, or if I'm done creating rectangles, I can say OK. The other option I have here is I can start from the center, or I can create a surface on top of the rectangle. For now, I'm going to accept that selection. This time I'll create one starting at the center. So I'll select Create Rectangle, choose the Anchor to Center option, and I'll just click on my point, and now I'm creating a rectangle centered on that point. I still need to add my 2 dimensions for my rectangle. If I'm happy with this, I'll say OK.